In the April edition of the Business Journal, business works to remove lice and the stigma. Reporter Josh Medore goes inside a new business established by concerned parents.
This may look like another local residence in Boardman, but what's offered inside is a happily welcome sight to those seeking its services. Steve Murphy is co-owner of Bernadette's Absolute Clear Salon, a local center established to treat lice contraction. When his business partner's family became infected with lice, they found that there was nowhere in the area to get treated.
They found Bernadette's in the Cleveland area and decided that it was a needed business around this area, and we were able to purchase a franchise and bring it back to Mahoning County.
The stigma surrounding lice and those who carry it often makes families afraid to discuss the problem. The perception of someone with head lice is that they and their environment are dirty or unclean. But, Murphy says, the exact opposite is true.
Where the cleaner the hair, the more susceptible they are to getting lice. The lice like a nice clean hair follicle to go to versus a dirty one. So as far as lifestyle, there is no lifestyle that lice is more prevalent in. It's from the low class all the way to the highest of classes could contract it.
The difference between Bernadette's products and over-the-counter alternatives is the type of spray that's used.
We use an enzyme-based product, which is all natural, which is a benefit versus the over-the-counter products, which carry pesticides in them. Ours is all natural and organic, and it's just a drying agent that dehydrates the lice and the exoskeleton that they carry, and it allows us to comb the lice out of the head very easily compared to some of the stuff that you would buy over the counter.
After the customer's first appointment, follow-up visits 48 to 72 hours later break the lice's life cycle to ensure full elimination of the bugs and eggs.
The families are overwhelmed with joy when they are told that they are lice-free.
You can read more in the April edition of the Business Journal. For the Daily Buzz, I'm Josh Medore.